welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing a gift guide for girls. I am teaming up with Victoria's Secret Pink to be bringing you guys this video. Like what? Like Victoria's Secret Pink? So this video is sponsored. I never want to hide that Victoria's Secret Pink is sponsoring this video, but like Victoria's Secret Pink. Oh my god, I'm really sick right now. That hurt. Okay, so VS Pink and I wanted to bring you guys a gift guide for the girl in your life, whether it's your best friend, your sorority sister, your girlfriend, your daughter, whoever it is. We wanted to find you guys gifts that the average girl will like, no matter who they are, no matter what type of girl they are. We just wanted to find you guys a very safe bet gift. We'll love it. So I'm going to be showing you guys my picks from the Victoria's Secret Pink Holiday 2018 collection. All these gifts I would love to receive. I also think a lot of the people that I know, whether they are like me in style or they're not like me in style, I think these are all really great gifts to get people no matter who they are. Sneak peek. First gift idea that I have is a pair of leggings, and I literally love leggings. I am living in leggings constantly, and so I wanted to show you guys a pair of leggings. I don't know which way is the front. This way is the front. Okay. I wanted to show you guys a pair of leggings that were a little bit different than just solid black leggings. If you guys want to give a girl in your life a solid black pair of leggings, that's super cool. But VS Pink has this pair from their holiday collection. It's heather gray. It has like a black stripe and a white stripe that says pink on it. I think it's really cute. It's high-waisted, which will like suck in your food baby, so you know, you like sucked in after like that Christmas dinner. And I really like these. They're super comfortable, very good quality. You could work out in these, you could lounge in these. I think leggings are a very safe bet. I also picked these ones out that are heather gray because, pro tip, I really like heather gray leggings because I think they go with a lot of things because like they're a neutral color, but also like they give you a little booty, like you look good. So these are definitely a favorite of mine. Now this next pair is kind of a pair of leggings. These are called campus leggings. I didn't tie them, I'm sorry. I was actually wearing these right before I started filming and I took them off and I was really angry because I had to take them off to film this video. And there's like my hair all over it, like I shed a lot. These are the campus leggings. And so they're like leggings, but they're kind of, in my opinion, like half leggings, half joggers, like leggings. But they also have like a tie at the front and then they cinch in at the bottom. Do you see that? We see that? And then they have these cute little stripes on them that say pink. I thought these weren't going to be like my taste. Like I got them and I was like, I know a lot of people like them, so I want to show them in the video. But I was like, these probably are going to be my least favorite. And these are like my favorite thing ever. They're so loungy, so loungy, is that a word? So comfortable to lounge in, but they're also cute. And I feel like the fact that they have like the stripe on the side and the stripes right here, it makes you look more put together than just wearing like black. It's something different to look at. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it and I think they're just really cute. If your girl likes to lounge, if she also likes to be cute, these leggings are perfect. Also black goes with everything if you don't want to get her like something a little more like colorful. I really like these. They fit really well too, so I'm a big fan. So the next one, I have a shirt, and I think this shirt is really cute. I actually was sick the other day. I'm still sick, but when I was like on the verge of dying, in my opinion, like I'm so dramatic, I wasn't dying, but I was like, I'm gonna die. I wore this shirt and it's wrinkled because I wore it and I haven't washed it since. It is like a burnt, rusty, like orangish red kind of color in real life, but I really like this shirt. If you have like daughters or like lots of friends, I think it'd be really cool to like get them these shirts, like each one in their favorite color or something like that. Pro tip for this one, I would size down on this. I got a small. I'm normally like a small to medium. I could have even gotten an extra small because these do run like a little bit big in my opinion. I do like bigger like sweatshirt things, but I do think that I like this like a size down. If your girl's in between like two sizes, give her the smaller size or like size down. And not only will you give her like the gift of like this shirt, you will make her feel like a skinny legend. You are sizing down a shirt and she's still fitting in it. Then she's like, I'm skinny, I'm fit, like I can fit in smaller clothes. You're not only giving her this, you're giving her the gift of self-confidence because she's gonna feel really skinny wearing a size smaller. Skinny legend. Size down on this, but I think this is a really good gift if you're giving people lots of gifts and you want to get them like the same one. Ta-da! Another really safe bet is a sweater, and I picked up this one because I felt like gray, black, and white were like very safe colors. If you want to find, you know, their favorite color, obviously that's super cool. This is like my favorite thing ever. It's so warm. It says pink. You know, you could wear it with the leggings. Do you think it's too much? Do you think that's too much? Probably, maybe. My favorite thing about this sweater is it's really cute, but it's also super warm. If you live in a really cold climate, this will keep you warm, like, well, like warmer than like an average like sweater would. The inside, literally, like, I could pet this all day. It feels like a fuzzy blanket. Like, can we see? You see the fuzzy blanket like feeling, like pet it through the camera. It's really warm, it's really thick, it's good quality. And so that's why I think that like sweater, you can't go wrong with a sweater. Like a warm, fuzzy sweater. I think that out of all of these, this is the gift to get someone, like if you're not sure like what to get them, like a cute sweater. How can you like not want a cute sweater? So if you're feeling about like spending a little bit more money or you want to get them more things, I would say these two things together as a set are really good. Or you can get them separate. Oh my hair is on this one too. So the first thing out of the two is this hoodie. It's a zip up hoodie, and then I got this like green color. It's like army green because I really like it. Get whatever color they want. It's like really thick on the inside. It has the same fuzzy blanket material that is in the sweater, which is really soft and will definitely keep you warm. And it's a zip up hoodie and like zips all the way up to like a turtleneck. The hood, I did not realize the hood was like this until I got it. The hood is fluffy. It has like, it's fuzzy. It's literally a fluffy hood. It's so soft. I think this is a really great gift because it's super warm, and then you can match it with the joggers that are the same color. These ones, I really like the top of them because they have like this outline that says pink on it, and it's a different texture. I think it's just a cute little detailing. And then like joggers, they cinch on the bottom, and then on the leg it says pink. And they are, again, the same soft fuzzy blanket texture as the sweater and the jacket. Or I guess it's a hoodie. I think these two together are really cute. These also like separate are really warm and comfortable. Like these are like elite lounge wearing clothes. I actually was really upset because I wanted to wear these the other day, but they were like here in my filming room, like not in my dorm. So I was like, like I really wanted to wear them. Those are all my gift guide ideas from the Victoria's Secret Pink 2018 holiday collection. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you found a gift to give someone, then let me know. Comment. Out of all these things, what would you like to receive, and what do you think your best friend would like to receive out of all these gifts? My personal favorite, like I said, like the campus leggings. Like I'm gonna put them on right after this. Thank you so much to Victoria's Secret Pink for sponsoring this video. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you guys for watching it, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!